Our project, named Leveraging Large Language Models for Investment Signal Extraction, involved a detailed analysis of the S&P 500 using daily returns data and sentiment analysis from Bloomberg News articles through ChatGPT 3 and 4. We developed a portfolio strategy initially in Excel, later automatized using Python to address challenges with neutral sentiment outputs. The second aspect focused on extracting quantitative values from financial texts like Natixis weekly reports, using different LLMs, overcoming difficulties related to text, images, and complex stock trajectory predictions. The S&P 500 analysis indicated the portfolio strategy's underperformance compared to its benchmark, highlighting the limitations of LLMs in predicting stock movements. Conversely, the expert opinion analysis demonstrated LLM's proficiency in sentiment analysis but revealed challenges in accurate numerical data extraction. A comparative study of various free LLMs, including ChatGPT 4 and Hugging Chat, showed disparities in their effectiveness at extracting quantitative values. Some models excelled at identifying monetary values, while others struggled with percentage and abbreviations. In addition to that, we employed Finbird ESG for qualitative data analysis, incorporating environmental, social, and governance factors. The project's scope was limited by manual data entry, necessitating a larger automated data collection for comprehensive backtesting. Overall, the project extended beyond initial objectives, offering insights into LLM's capabilities and limitations in financial analytics and sentiment extraction, thus enhancing our understanding of their application in financial decision-making.